The breeze hums softly as the stars debut, a quiet rhythm made for just us two. Underneath the fading light we sway, in the calm of dusk where hearts replay. Your laugh's a melody that finds its way to make the night feel like a brighter day. The clouds are pillow streaked with amber blush, our whispers blend into the evening hush. Our hands entwined in this timeless crush, hearts align as the day turns to hush. The waves in sync with the rise and fall of the warmth your presence paints on it all. Around us nature writes its quiet sprawl, a symphony swallowing this love's soft call. Underneath the fading light we sway, in the calm of dusk where hearts replay. Your laugh's a melody that finds its way to make the night feel like a brighter day. The clouds are pillow streaked with amber blush, our whispers blend into the evening hush. Our hands entwined in this timeless crush, hearts align as the day turns to hearts to hush. The waves in sync with the rise and fall of the warmth your presence paints on it all. Around us nature writes its quiet sprawl, a symphony swallowing this love's soft call. The sunset glows, but with you it shines more. A love that's nature's muse and endless lore. Every twilight brings a moment we'll explore, forever chasing sunsets on the shore.